Sanibonani guys, igama wanqabela ngithathela mazibela inimba angomhla ka-19 June. Hayi-ke guys, uhlathumane wangimangaza-ke namhlanje. Uhambile-ke waya le emzini-ke ka-Lazarus eyocela ama-favors khona emva kokuthi-ke amane akhulume kabuhlungu nendodakazi yakhe ngayizolo esho ukuthi there is no way ukuthi angavuma ukuthi kusetshenziswe i-mention ka-Lazarus nemoto ka-Lazarus ekhona yena ewutata indoda ephelele. Guys, umfice kahle ko-Lazarus besanoqhawe beyidlela i-breakfast, naye uLazarus ucishe wakhingceka ukudla kwakhe ethuswa ukuthi uhlathi uyakwazi kahle kahle vele ukunyathela emagcekeni omuzi wakhe. Guys, uthe wow Hlathi, this is unexpected. Wathi Jola, ndithandize apha kwe ndizokuxelela uba indodakazi yami iya kwi-matric dance. Manje kunezinto ezininzi yabo kwilist yakhe azifunayo. Ezinye zazo ndiyabona uba angeke ngize ngikwazi ukuthi ndimtholele zona mathupha. Wathi oh ngiyayazi leyo, kukhona nomngani wami indodakazi yakhe ethe ifuna ukufika nge-helicopter kwi-matric dance. Wathi yo ndiyavuya ukuba uYanga akakafiki kulelo zinga. uYanga uthe ufisa ukusebenzisa indlu yakho ukushutha i-content, kanti-ke ubefisa nokuthi-ke asebenzise enye yezimoto zakho. Manje ndize apha ukuba ndizobuza ukuthi ngeke ukwazi yini usitsheleke indlu yakho-ke, ngizokubhatala umalini engingayibhatala ukuyihayarisha indlu yakho nemoto yakho. Wamane wahleka uLazarus wathi hayibo, you have got to be kidding me. uHlathi mabandla wonke uzocela i-favor kumina? Hayi, I'll be damned. Wathi uHlathi oh okay, uma ukuthi angeke ukwazi ukungisiza it's fine, bengicela ukuba indlela. Wathi no, Hlathi imake ncinci, if indodakazi yakho ifuna ukusebenzisa indlu yami nemoto yami it's fine, angayisebenzisa. Ngiyamthanda uYanga, uyintombazanyana nje ehloniphayo. Bengingathanda ukuthi-ke ngimenzele le favor le. Wathi hayi, ngifuna ukukubhatala, nginayo imali. Wathi no, it takes a village yabo ukukhulisa umntana, so it's fine, just nje take it as yabo i-favor nyana nje ngikwenzela yona as umzali nawe. Hayi-ke guys, wajabula uHlathi wabonga. Kuthe kusanjalo kwabe kungena uDaphne lo basizayo lapha ekhaya Bikicha Ngokana, eza nengane le kuthiwa bavumile bebuya le e-airport. Uthukile-ke guys uLazarus ukubona befika early. Wathi hawu, kanti indaba benganilindele ngalesi sikhathi? Wathi hayi, sheshe safika lapha e-airport, so ingakho sheshe safika nala endlini. Wase waqeda lapho wathi ningakwazi ukubona-ke i-surprise. Wambeka phansi ubavumile guys, wawalker ngathi umntana useqala ukuzihambela and everyone was happy. Uqhawe was happy, Lazarus was happy. Kodwa-ke umuntu obekade surprised and happy but also not showing it much because phela bamvimba ukuthi-ke lengane asondele eduze kwayo was uHlathi guys. Talk about the perfect timing. Yazi uHlathi ngathi bekuwusuku lakhe lokuthi abone indodana yakhe for the first time emva kokuthi ayintshontshe abaleke nayo isancane. Hey guys, nakhumbula ngaliya day uHlathi entshontshe ingane ebaleka nayo ebusuku ngaphethe ngisho inabukeni ngisho nengcence. Yay, isikhathi siyagijima. Umane nje wathi Lazarus uyafuna ukumbamba. Guys, kwangathi like kukhona umoya odlulile nje benezikaHlathi. Wathi wathi mawufuna ukumbamba ngambamba. Wathi izapha. Wayigona ingane. Ngoba guys igazi liyakhuluma, ingane imane nje yamamatheka ibona uHlathi guys. Ubungafunga ukuthi ngampela ikhuliswa uyena uqobo lwayo, kanti kukhuluma igazi guys. Hayi-ke kwayithatha-ke iy'thombe-ke guys uHlathi efuna phela ukukhombisa abomndeni wakamabandla masebuyela endlini. Semefika-ke endlini, hayi wafica umndeni ugcwele, bekukhona ngisho umfabo omdala uThulani. Wathi Yanga, ndikuphathela izindaba ezimnandi. Wathi ntoni tata? Wathi uLazarus uvumile uba usebenzise i-mention yakhe for ukushuthi i-content, kanti-ke ngisho imoto ukunikezile. Wathi yes. Wathi ngihambe ngixelela uNtsaki. Nangampela wahamba guys-ke uYanga washiya uHlathi ephethe ifoni ngesandla ethi uzani nizobona apha. Mebethi bayabuka guys nangoHlathi uphethe ubavumile guys, bayabonda. And-ke since kukhona-ke uNtsiki owungqaphinane okhuluma kakhulu, umane wathi hawu umabandla ezihlalele lo jonga inhloko, ngisho izinwele zibomvu njengezikatata. Hawu kodwa mthetho waze wamzala utatapha. Lapho guys wonke lamazwi lawa ayahlaba njengommesi enhlizweni kaThumeka, ayagwaza. Hey, everyone was happy except for her. Like ubekade esho ngenhliziyo ukuthi oh yaqala inkathazo madoda. Yazi again uHlathi usiyabuyelana futhi nalo Zoleka this, Zoleka that. Ngisho ingane kaZoleka isiphinde futhi-ke yathatha i-spotlight sendodana yakho likamva engasekho emhlabeni, and ngisho uyanga manje kuyena la kumele ngabe kukhulunywa ngaye. Sekumane kukhulunywa ngoba avumile manje kuthiwa ufana notata omkhulu walaphaya kaMabandla. Guys, hey, akusona isibusiso ukuthatha indoda yomuntu, I'm telling you. Like uyohlezi njalo second best bakithi uThumeka, hayi yena yedwa ngisho ingane zakhe. Ngisho noma thiwa uZoleka akasekho enhlizweni nasempilweni-ke kaHlathi, but iy'ngane zakhe zihlezi ziwu-number 1 kuyena uHlathi. Uba manje kuduma ubavumile ekhanda likaHlathi, and lezi iy'thombe I'm sure uzozibuka koze kuphela unyaka. Guys, akupheli-ke lapho. uLazarus-ke uke wakhuluma-ke noBill William mayelana-ke ne-biotech kaQhawekazi. Hey, mina ngithukile guys, ngoba-ke kahle bethi mina uzothatha uQhawe amyise phesheya kwey'lwandle uzama ukumdoba khona-ke uBill William, kanti no, that was not the plan. uQhawe ukhulume noBill William washo ukuthi uBill William le idea kaQhawe is very very good, so he's willing to help her. Wabuza kuQhawe ukuthi-ke oh really, ha ngampela? Wathi now tell me, angeke uze uyintshontshe i-idea yami? Wathi kanti yini vele ubuze lowo mbuzo? Maningi kabi abantu balapha e-Afrika engisebenzisane nabo abama-innovators, and abanye bese beqamba amanga ngami. Are you one of them? Wathi uQhawe no, bengi-curious nje kuphela. Bakhona yini laba awake wasebenzisana nabo engibaziyo mhlampe sike sasebenza nabo ndawonye? Wathi who is sending you vele wena? Why are you asking a lot of questions? Wathi hayi bengiyibuzela nje. Wathi lalela la, sengimkhathe off middleman, wena uzodila nami ngoba ngifuna nje sho ukuthi akukho khona amaphutha enzakalayo kule project yakho. Uthe sasho njalo wabethi Lazarus, Bill, you are speaking to Lazarus here. Ufuna ukukwazisa ukuthi-ke meke nje kwakhona into oyenzayo kumina, kuQhawekazi noma ku-Azande, ngizoku-expose la ngiphethe amagama abantu oseke wabaqumba phansi wantshontsha ama-ideas abo. Nginokukhanyisa la owawufuna ukutshontsha i-farming idea yakhe nabaningi abanye. So if you ever dare come closer to Azande or uQhawekazi, you will be dealing with me. Hayibo guys, what are you threatening me? You don't even have enough information. Wathi lalela, this information that I have is enough to take you down. So suka bhuti eduze kwethu, otherwise you will know who you're dealing with la. Hey guys, valucinga ukuqala uLazarus, and kuyena he felt like he has won already. Baze bashaya i-toast kuyena uQhawe no-Azande, but to Qhawe who walked through flames and didn't get burned. Oh guys, mina ngibona ngathi le celebration i-early kakhulu. They celebrated too soon because uBill William did not say he's backing down. Abazi bona kwamanje ukuthi kuzoba njani. Uze washo ukuthi-ke uzonikeza i-project kaQhawe igama lokuthi iLikamva project. So i-biotech yakhe bazoyithatha le idea beyisebenzise manje, ngeke basalinda and bazoyibiza ngokuthi iLikamva project, and Qhawe was very impressed. Okunye kabakwenzile-ke bamane nje bathi u-Azande aka-step down as in interim CEO, abuyele back to i-position yakhe yokuba COO with immediate effect, but ngeke batshele istaff lokho, into ezohlala emndenini kuphela leyo. So bamdemothile kubhuti, and he was not even angry about it because ubonile ukuthi wabhatshaza qala. So ngisho nale punishment is not that bad. Ukube bekuwomunye umuntu bekuzothiwa nje akaphuma phele ebhizinisini lakaNgcukana nalekaKhusela, bengagcini lapho bephinde bemxoshe ngisho kule mansion ahlala kuyona ngoba nayo vele akayikhokheli, uhlala mahhala. Kodwa-ke ngoba uLazarus unenhliziyo enhle, uthe nje uzomehlisa esikhundleni kuphela, aqhubeke asebenze, aqhubeke futhi abe yilunga lomndeni. Guys, aphela lapho-ke amazwibela namhlanje. Ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe and like and comment. Until next time, bye. Sanibonani guys, igama uNqabile ngiphathele amazibela e-Inimba angomhla ka-19 June.